All right, welcome back. This is an update to Kili's Auto-Stratic auto trade generator. So listen, so if you trade the strat, like I was saying in the previous video, like basically you got, your actionable candle here. All right, it says inside. But look at this. You got your entries for calls on Netflix, 419.25. You got entry for puts and 407.56. And it has the price targets with the emoji fire. 406.16, right? Your call first target will be 427.59. With the target, bing. Number two, with the number two iPhone emojis. I'm loving how he did this. You feel what I'm saying? And the target, 437.02, right? So basically what this indicator is, it lets you know when you're scrolling through your watch list, if you have an actionable signal. And if it does, it's giving you the call, put entry, and target, at least two of them. You feel what I'm saying? You can change the colors of these and do the whole thing and, the adjustments. But from what I'm seeing, it's lit. And it's not like clouding your chart up. You feel what I'm saying? With a bunch of lines. So basically, all your job is to do at night is just add your broadening formations, do your top-down analysis and everything else that, on the chart on your higher time frames. Obviously you're looking for the time frame continuity. I'm gonna be real. I hope he just add that shit. If he add that in some strat numbers, like he got a full, strat setup, and you don't need nothing else. But anyway, maybe he'll do that on like the next one or something. But I mean, think about this. Like you don't need much. So it's like if you know how to trade the strat, you just can just scroll through your charts. I mean, you already probably can see it now, but it's like, all right, boom, boom. Here's my levels. Here's my levels. Like you can just mark over top of them if you want and keep it moving. And you just basically seeing what you've seen already. If you kind of got that at that point of the strat where you just know, and you add the rest of your targets. But I mean, this is lit right here. You run it through your daily, and you run it through your daily chart, and boom, you just seeing, okay, boom, this is actionable. So it do like save you a lot of time, because if you're just running through your charts, if you run into your watch list and it's like, that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. He's a little slow. Like, that ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? That ain't nothing. Like, yeah, you ain't even, it's telling you here, but it's not giving you a price target, which means ain't not happening. You feel what I'm saying? Boom. All right. You got meta, hammer. You recognize the hammer. You got call entry. Yeah, it's your first target. Like, it's a perfect setup, right? You put your broadening formations on there, look at your higher time frame, look at your time frame continuity, and boom. Then if you got the strat V2 on there, you also seeing not only you seeing the actionable hammer, like the actual actionable candle, but you also seeing the setup, the combo. So this is actually like some good training wheels, like for somebody that's trying to learn a strat and get like a visual idea, you know what I mean, that don't really have nobody teaching it to them. So this is kind of lit. I'm kind of happy and excited to try this on Monday. Now, like I said, I don't have a problem finding my entries, exits, and targets, but for somebody starting out, so I'm going to run that back, because at first I said it might not be good for somebody starting out, just because of the fact that, you need to train your eyes. And is GP Joe Peters always say, stop trying to make things easier. If you learning, you need to make it harder, right? Which I love that, because like make it harder to where as though hard becomes easy, right? So that's a very good thing. But yeah, like yo, this is lit. I'm gonna put the link in the bio once again or down in the description. Like I said, it's free till September 1st, and then I don't know what he's gonna charge for it. But I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. Like I said, you got boom, entries, exit. You just running through your watch list. You just sliding through. Boom. Okay, Google. Hammer. Entry. With the price. Little small line. Ain't clogging your charts up. Look, like I got my lines everywhere. Boom. Your target. You can find your next target on your own if you just know that you just going to the next high to find your target, or the next low to find your target. I mean, like, I'm gonna be honest, like, you catch this move right here, you know what I'm saying? A $4 move, look, time frame continuity is green all the way through, 322. Boom, on a month is red, that month could go red real easy, probably over the top of here. Like, yeah, I mean, if you just take just these targets, these price and these targets, and you set your stop loss like right under, the bodies of these candles or at the wicks, I'm gonna be honest, like you probably could do some numbers daily and barely know how to trade. Like I ain't gonna lie, if you just know the basics of the strat and you got this, and it'll help you recognize. I honestly say this indicator could really like help you get where you're trying to go. You know what I'm saying? Like that's kind of lit. Between this, and these targets, I think all three of these will help you train your eyes to see what's going on if you're in the basics. Now, that'll get you the basics. Like you got your higher time frames, your hybrid time frames, different things like that, understanding pullbacks. But I'm gonna be honest with you, like, yeah, this gonna be kind of lit. I ain't gonna like keep running it in a hole, but this just like an update. So I'll do another update on it Monday. Maybe I'll do like some live market action and maybe take a trade with it and screen record it and see how it go. But I mean, when it comes to just killing time, like, I do this anyway, like over 100 tickets myself on my watch list. I got another watch list that I use. I usually use TOS on my watch list. But like, look at this, like, boom, you got another one. Okay, inside candle, target, boom. Okay, like, I probably wouldn't take this just because of the risk to reward. But that's something that you have to assess. That just comes with trading. Okay, but if it goes to the upside, I like it better for calls. If it goes to the upside, I would like that target. It got a little more room to run, right? And risk to reward, like, ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? I mean, probably I maybe will run my stop. Like my stop probably would be like this price target. On a what's now, like right here at this target, right? This entry. But I mean, shit, if you get this move, I mean, this is the first target, but I mean, look, you got a whole gap to fill. So actually, I take that back. This might actually be playable pretty well too. So, seem like he got this pretty worked out. I mean, he's giving you the basics that you need to not overcomplicate yourself. That can get real complicated real quick. But like, if you just wanted to take these levels and play them, like it's a little tight. But if you just wanted to take these levels and then you just can go and mark the other ones. And I think you actually can adjust how many targets you get. Yeah, you can, because at the peak of the break. So I don't know if this even continues. How many can you put on here? Let's just say 5, right? For pivot machine gun or something. From what I'm saying, it might let you yes, it might let you. Okay, so I think it's a max you out at 3. All right, max you out at 3. It might continue to add targets as the price move. I'm not sure. I don't know how dynamic it is, and I haven't tried this in live market action. I watched the video, I read the instructions, and got an understanding. But like, yo, this is. I mean, it just maps them out for you. And it's some other indicators out there that do it for you too. But I just like the way this look. Like the other ones, like they give you lines like way back here and all of that. I think this one might do it, but I turn it off. But it gives you lines way back here, and it's like this is right here where you need to be. Like boom, probably live market action. All right, your next candle open, it breaks over here, it breaks over this price. You set your alert. I mean, usually you can just go through here and set your alerts like right on these lines, boom, boom. And yeah, so I mean the options, the king of options might have done it again with this one. So I'm excited to try it. I'm always excited to try a new indicator or something like that dealing with the strat. I don't use a lot of indicators, but when it comes to like little different strat scripts and combos and different things like that, little strat stuff, I do like to try them out. I'm still a firm believer in learning the hard way and then, taking the easy way. But shit, ain't nothing wrong with trying things. Sometimes I just used to run through and just try all kind of indicators just to see how they would work. So this is what's up. You know what I mean? This might actually definitely be worth the money. Like this is something like, if you like teaching somebody how to trade, you really could like, look, just purchase this indicator and, go from there. But this going to get you started. This going to get your foot in the door and some basic understanding. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. I mean, these are accurate entries and exits too. Like, so that's what I like about it. It's not like, iffy. It's not like a lagger. And I like that it's not a lagger because it is generating after market close, right? and then into the next day, like you really do trade the strat. So that's perfect. So I mean, yeah, you could use this, learn some broad informations, and you could be on your way. Understand how your time frames, using those at your advantage, which is, I mean, this works on a daily and a weekly. So I mean, what more you need? Because I tell people to stay on the daily and weekly when you're looking for entries. I don't really play around on the 1 hour and the 4 hour and stuff like that too much. I like to trade right there, you know, those higher time frames, wait for those breaks. And if it don't come, I just walk away. That just keeps me disciplined, but that's just me. But this ain't what this video is about. This video is about the, what is it? The Stratic, my bad, Stratic, Kili's Auto-Stratic indicator. So listen, the link is in the bio. Like, go ahead, download that, add it to your trading view, and see what it do. I'm out.